I'm here at Okinawa Prefectural Peace Memorial Museum, and I'm going to look at peace, tourism, and peace tourism. At the bottom end of Okinawa Island is the Peace Museum, and behind me is the memorial. Now, every year, Prime Minister Abe comes here on the anniversary of the end of the Second World War to pay his respects and to recognize the role that the World War II had in the history of Japan. And under the floor of the lobby, you can see some bombs, some unexploded ordnances from the Battle of Okinawa, where an estimated 200,000 civilians and soldiers lost their lives in the war. Outside the museum is the cornerstone of peace, where the names of the people who lost their lives are inscribed on the monument. There's names from Japan, of course, but also Korea, UK, USA, and Taiwan. Visiting this peace tourism attraction made me think about the role of tourism in promoting world peace. Does tourism really promote world peace, or is it more a case where tourism flourishes once peace has taken hold? Political figures, religious leaders, and even movie stars have had a commonly held view that tourism contributes to world peace. For example, JFK said, "Travel has become one of the great forces for peace and understanding in our time. As people move throughout the world and learn to know each other's customs and to appreciate the qualities of individuals of each nation, we are building a level of international understanding that can sharply improve the atmosphere for world peace." Pope John Paul II said the world is becoming a global village in which people from different countries are made to feel like next-door neighbors. In facilitating a more authentic social relationship between individuals, tourism can help overcome many real prejudices and foster new bonds of fraternity. In this sense, tourism has become a real force for world peace. Mahatma Gandhi said, "I have watched the cultures of all lands blow around my house, and other winds have blown the seeds of peace. For travel is the language of peace." Even Jason Bourne, Matt Damon, said, "I think many of our problems as a country would be solved if people had thick passports." I've done some research in this area, and I look at the relationship between peace and tourism across 111 different countries, using panel data model. I found that tourism is the beneficiary of peace in a destination rather than being the grounds for peace. You can read more about my research in the paper below.